Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Sentra tail light. First, open your trunk and find the tail light assembly. You'll need to remove any carpet or trim panels that might be covering it. Once exposed, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb housing. This step ensures safety and provides clear access to the components. Next, you'll need to remove the retaining nuts or screws that hold the entire tail light assembly in place. These are usually found around the edges of the unit. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. Take care not to force it, as there are alignment pins that can break. Now that the assembly is out, you can replace the faulty bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully push the tail light assembly back into its opening, aligning the pins. Secure it with the retaining nuts or screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical connector to the bulb housing. Before closing up, test your new tail light to ensure it's working properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.